Back at it with another. Back with another video. It's been a while, man. It's been like 2 weeks, 3 weeks without taking any trades whatsoever. And the reason why is because nothing's been lining up. But hope you guys had a great weekend, month, whatever it is. You guys enjoying your summers. Today's currently Sunday. The market's about to open soon, guys. And we're gonna just do a breakdown real quick. See for potential trade outlooks that we might be looking forward to for this week. Um, and let's see if we can make some money. So that'll be, pretty good if we are able to. What's going on with the focus? Yeah, I'm not too sure what's going on with the focus. But what I can say is, of course, we gotta go back to the journal. Of course, we gotta go to the journal, right? And the journal number one rule in trade profitability is that 9 out of 10 times I am right when I trust my intuition. So I've been noticing, I've been tracking the patterns, I've been seeing the similarities, or you can see the initial pattern of every single time I do not trust my intuition, I take an L. Every single time. And every time I do trust it, I don't take an L. So what we're going to do, we are going to trust our intuition as common sense. So I could see everything line up, bro. If I look at the 4 hour chart and I don't like the way it looks before it goes bullish or before it sells or et cetera, I just don't take it. Like literally, just it. That's literally it. If I don't like it, I don't take it. I just avoid as much trades as I can, and I avoid like 8, 9 trades that would have resulted into losses. So that's like 8%. Imagine being 8% down on your account. That's a lot, right? You know what I'm saying? That's like 8,000 on a 100K account, 800 on a whatever. I don't know the math, bro. I don't care. But the whole point is that avoiding these trades that are actually going to lower your profitability or your statistics is, the best thing to do is just to avoid those stuff. If you avoid those, then it obviously equals more profitability because mine, and imagine losing 2% and not losing 2%. That's, you just smack an initial balance. So being able to just avoid the trades that don't make sense. So I understand that the strategy that I do have, it works, but it only works on specific market conditions, right? So it's only super profitable, or the increase in profitability only happens when there's a clear trend. The market is clean. The 4 hour doesn't have any weird thing looking like it just looks weird. Like when my intuition tells me it's right. But I'm saying just any trade that my intuition is against is not a good trade. So a good trade is my intuition has to line up with it. And that comes with years of back testing, years of just understanding and seeing what the market has done in various amount of conditions in a very long period of time, a couple years. So being able to see that this pattern doesn't look like it's going to play out, that literally shows you that, listen, the strategy works, but just not in this market. So I want to work the strategy in the markets that work. So if that makes sense. So you want to put your strategy in the markets that work. So obviously, yeah, your strategy can line up, but it could be lining up in a market that does not work out in its favor. So you want to be lined up in a market that works out for the favor of your friggin', 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 friggin' trade. Right? So let's get to the charts, man. Listen, obviously, we got to go back to the trades that I've taken previously that I not taken previously, but I had it on my watch list, but I did not take it. Okay, usdjpy. Let's start with that one. You know what I'm saying? Like it reached an area where I said it could have been a good TP area. Did I take a trade? No, I just didn't like this huge rejection. But yet again, I was not making that trade because it took so many days, bro. Like look how many days it took. One to from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. But it literally took like 3, 4 weeks just to get to that area. I would have already been out that trade. It's not worth it. NZDJPY, same thing. Gold didn't do what I, you know, would be interested in it doing for me to enter a trade. The question is, what do I see price doing from here? Can price, close above here and continue going up? Possibly. Um, there is bullish, right? What does this 4 hour look like? 4 hours, you know, bearish right now. But you know, I do feel as though that it could. I'm straight, bro. I'm just straight. I'm good. ADUSD. If I have to hesitate and I just feel kind of weird, I'm just trying to figure things out. I don't think I really got a grasp, but I'm good. Like a trader that I was listening to, ICT, and he says that yo, like if you don't are not sure about the direction it's going to, then you don't not supposed to take that trade. Like it has to be like you see it going in that direction and only that direction. And if it doesn't, if I don't see it going in that direction and only that direction, why even take that trade? Like then I'm indecisive. That's like, obviously like lowering my profitability. So I want to look at a trade and be like, look, I only see it going bullish. Um, and I can kill you. You know, I mean, upon that, that makes sense. So, okay, so now we're looking at AUSD. What we see price actually did go up, but it just wasn't what I was looking for. So let's look at all of the trades and let's see what we can do. Gold, I already said I'm not interested in. SPX 500, too high. US 30, most likely it'll be too high too. NAS 100, too high too. Bitcoin, weekly. I is ever bad. Uh, Daily, I don't want to just analyze that pattern. Yeah, daily, um, you know, I'm just straight, bro. GJ, he is up here. I'm good. ADUSD, no, I'm good. usdjpy, weekly, almost 6 drawings. What his price does when it gets here, usually goes up, up. So what makes the most sense? It makes more sense to go up, right? What's the probability of this going up? Very high, right? So, I mean, why make the most sense? It's the weekly area here. Strong weekly area. Price rejection and price close below here. Yeah, price can close below here. I feel like I see it more so going up. The reason why I see it more so going up is because price has, obviously showed the probability of it going up from here is very high. It usually just always goes up. So I just feel as though it's gonna go up, probability, like a 60-70% chance of it going up. So especially with this weekly rejection right here, this area of this weekly area of interest, daily is bullish. Question is, do I see price going bullish from here? But the weekly is bullish. So can I see this happening? Kind of can. You know what I'm saying? It looks kind of weird, but I kind of can see that happening. The only thing I just don't like is that the daily level has already been, no, the daily level hasn't been tapped yet. No, that's close. 4 hour bullish. Um, yeah, should the structure in this area? Damn it. Yeah, we can count it as sugar structure right here. Um, 1 hour. I'm gonna be real with you, like this right here would have just been a perfect entry right here. This would make the most sense, right? Stop loss over here. TP to this level here. That makes the most sense, right? Think about it as a daily of a retest candle, bomb, retest candle. So for me, I think I can actually see price, expanding upwards to this side. I can see that happening. So USDJPY definitely a trade that I'm interested in. But what I would want price to do is to come back into this area. If price can come back into this area, right? Price can come back into this area, then we will have, you know, would have, the daily to 4 hour, right? And we have the daily retest candle, daily 4 hour, daily retest candle. We have the daily area of interest. We'll have the shifter structure, and we'll also have the engulfing that already happened. So that's like a C on a counter trend trade. Definitely something that I can agree upon that I can see price expanding. So yep, interested in this trade, Euro USD. Um, not good, not interested. CAD JPY. Price rate, that's this level. I'm good. Euro GBP. I'm good. NDUSD. I'm good for now. NTD CAD. Weekly. I'm good. USD price here. Do I see price going? Move drawings. Price bullish, right? This is the week ago, right? So, this, right? So question is, do I see? So this entire thing is all up, to be honest, right there. Wow. Daily, what's the daily saying? Daily. I think so. Will be this. Okay. Well, the price broke above here, but I have the outlook picture. So I could, you know, look forward to price going up this way. But do I see price, filling this up and then eventually engulfing on a bullish move? No, I haven't seen that happen before. I haven't seen a bullish move that had an engulfing and then price engulfed it and closed above it. I've never seen it happen. So the reason why I'm not taking this trade is not that it doesn't line up. It's literally simply because of this daily engulfing, this bearish engulfing. I've never seen price, you know, eventually fill out a bearish engulfing. I'm saying it's not possible. I'm just saying I've never seen it happen on a consistent basis. So I feel to like this trade, obviously I'm gonna keep an eye on it, but I'm not interested. Now write it down so to remember. Not interested because I don't buy after a bullish move retrace a bearish. That's the reason why, literally. So I just keep an eye on it just so I could see it. But that's literally the main. That's literally what I'm talking about, right? Like everything lines up with this trade. But my intuition, I've never seen it happen. So I'm good. Like I'm just good. Like yes, the trade lines up, but I'm good. Like I'm straight right up with that. APUSD. Um, let's see. Let's see. Daily, 4 hour. So I feel as I see this more of this happening. I feel till that seems like more of something. So let's see. I'll keep an eye on that. UAD, I'm good. AD CAD, looking for straight bulls. Like I said before, I'm good. Hey, wait. Oh, I'm good. usdjpy, no, keep an eye on these. I'm good. GBP, bearish, daily. Well, I'm straight. USDJPY, good. USD CAD. I retested this level. Yeah, I'm good. GPCHF. Mostly buys, I'm good. USDCHF. Price at the lowest ever been. I'm good. GPNPD. Price is bearish. Question is, can I see price continuing to this side, that? I kind of could see that happening. That's a daily is bullish. I'm good. ADCHF daily. I'm good. So literally, the only trade that I'll be looking forward to trading this week, literally, is like two trades. It's literally USDJPY, and GBP CAD. So that's literally it, guys. Have a good one. Today is the 7/6/25. So July 6th, 2025. So